All right, so this question gives us an equation for this reaction, and they're asking us if we were to have 3.0 moles of iron oxide, how many moles of aluminum would react with that? Since this equation is already balanced, we can go ahead and look for our stoichiometric ratio, which is basically the ratio of the numbers in front of iron oxide and aluminum. There's no number in front of iron oxide, so we can just assume that it's 1. And the number 2 is in front of aluminum. Therefore, our ratio of iron oxide to aluminum is going to be 1 to 2. So to figure out how many moles of aluminum we would have if we had 3 moles of iron oxide, we just set up our proportion. 1 over 2 equals 3.0 over x. Let's